Glad to see you again, everyone. Let's talk about something exciting today, the side hustle. Whether you're dreaming of starting a business, saving for something special, or just wanting extra freedom, a side hustle can open doors you never imagined. In this live, I'll share 3 steps again to master the art of balancing your side hustle with your busy life. Step 1, start with your passion. Step 1 is to figure out what lights you up. What's something you're good at, love doing, or could learn quickly? A side hustle doesn't have to feel like work. It can be something that energizes you. Think about skills you already have. Are you great at organizing, or coaching, or cooking? Or maybe you have a hobby you could monetize like photography or crafting. Starting with something you enjoy makes it easier to stick with your hustle even when life gets busy. Step number 2, manage your time wisely. Time is the biggest challenge for side hustlers, but it's also your greatest asset. Look for those hidden pockets of time in your day, like your lunch break, commute, or even weekends. Plan ahead. Use a calendar or productivity app to schedule time for your side hustle and stick to it like it's an important appointment. Even an hour or two a day can add up over time. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Now, step number 3, focus on consistency, not perfection. When you're balancing a full-time job and a side hustle, it's easy to feel like you're not doing enough. But consistency treats perfection every time. Set realistic goals and celebrate small wins, whether it's signing your first client, making your first sale, or just showing up consistently. Every step forward counts. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start because it doesn't exist. Progress, not perfection, is what gets you to your goals. Now, a side hustle isn't just about extra income. It's about building something that gives you freedom and fulfillment. Start with what you love. Manage your time and stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you're working on a side hustle or thinking about starting one, drop a bag or suitcase in the comments and share your idea. I'd love to cheer you on. Until next time, bye for now.